Now come to the point multi-stage reasoning chain. Multi-stage reasoning chain is a structured process when an AI system solve the complex problem by breaking them into the sequential logical stage, with each stage building on the result of the previous one. What exactly meaning is? So multi-stage reasoning is something if you have a something task which is the long, which is very big. So multi-stage reasoning chain will break your task into some part, like some sequential part, might be some logical parts, or might be there's some previous previous result basis of that means overall it's divide your task into different part means some few parts and then it works. So this is the essential solving this is the essential for solving a task that require long term planning, multi-hop reasoning, tool use plus memory and correct sequencing of the subtasks. These are the things. This is the way by which a multi-reasoning chain works. So what is the multi-stage reasoning chain? That is something reasoning in like a pipeline thought. Suppose you are giving some input. Step one do something. Step two do something. Step three do something. And all the steps has their own task. And then you give the answer. So step one output is the input of step 2. Step 2 output is the input of step 3 and step 3 output is the input of the your final answer and then you get the result. So each steps refine the context and perform your subtask or add new information allowing the system to solve the problem. That is one short prompt can't handle. Common use cases. Research assistant, code assistant, math or logical questions, data agent, RAG and tool pipeline. These are the cases where our multi-stage reasoning chain works. Now, if you want to link the multi-stage reasoning chain to these examples, like code assistant or mathematical logical questions, so you know in the maths, there the question are divided into case one, case two, case three, and once a case one answer is X, and then case 2 comes and if case 2 answer is y, then case 3 come or step 3 comes. So this is the something in which all the steps are linking and they do their own works. So that's why multi-stage reasoning chain works. And this is the something like this way you can understand what exactly multi-chain is. All tasks, all steps have their own task. They perform their task and they are linked each other basis of their condition. And these tasks are uh, called as a subtask and they refine your answer very well. So this is the multi-stage reasoning chain. In multi-stage reasoning chain, stage description and example are there by which we can also understand. One is the understand or phase. Clarify the query or exact goal. What you want to do. What the question really asking. Second is the planning. Break into the subtask and decide on the steps. What the steps we want to follow and how many parts we have to break this task. Third is the retrieving fresh information from knowledge base or vector DB or webs. That the RAG or API part. Once we fourth one is the execution. Basis of our task and basis of the vector database, we perform the calculation called code execution that run the tool or API. Generator synthesize the final answer based on the above here is your answer. Evaluation. Once again, this is the optional. In this, we check the correctness and hallucination completeness. Did I answer all part correctly? Yes or no? So these are the 6 steps of the multi-stage reasoning chain. For example, user write what are the economic and environment impact of the lithium mining in 2025. So multi-stage chain, how it works. First, understand and recognize multiple dimensions, economics and environment. Then plan. Search recent report of the economics of the lithium mining. Search the environmental study or news. Compare the findings. These are the plan. And three is the retry. Use RAG to fetch the article from the 2024 to 25. Summarize. Create a brief summary of both the set. This is the part of the summarization. And then synthesize. Write the combined comprehensive answer. And fifth is the evaluation. Check the both part are addressed on.